Today I did grafting. I graft larvae, a day old larvae or a fourth day from eggs, because 3 days eggs and then in the fourth day it'll turn into a day old larvae. And then that's the ideal age to graft. Normally they are next to eggs. Normally next to eggs cluster where you can find those a day old larvae, and then graft them into the queen cell cup size, install them in the cell bar and facing below, because that's how nurse base create queens. They'll, instead of this sideways like that, they will just make it upside facing below. So that's the design of the cell bar, also facing below. And then since they have no queen here in the last 3 days, they just feel really hopeless, and because there's no available larvae in those frames inside there to create queens. So the graft that I introduced today, they more likely accept that. And since it's just the first day old of larva today, they can put that, start the right diet. Because if you graft a 2 day old larva already, and then they would miss that first day, like the development, it might affect it. It might turn into not really good queen, because well, considering how the nature, how they work with it. Let's say as a procedure, they just actually start from egg is already positioned in the queen cell cup that is facing down, and then until it hatches, and then they just feed them with royal jelly and turn into queen. So we also try to copy that, at least a day old larvae, if you can tell, if it's less than 24 hours day old larvae, and then that's even better. Then tomorrow we will check if they accepted or not, because I grafted 10 minutes drive from here to the next apiary where my breeders are. Hopefully they did not dried out before I got here, and those graft, sometimes it dried out or just dead, but I hope not, and we will see. We'll check them tomorrow. It's coming up here next. This is my graph yesterday. Here is the first bar I grafted. I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 out of 15 on here. And here is so far I got 14. No, 13. And here I got one. How many missing here? 2 missing. 13, 14, 26. 35. So I got 35 out of 45. So it's some of them are not accepted, so probably there's something wrong with it. Probably I dried out or killed the larva when I push it. So it's average. So. And this is a 5th day today, because I grafted them yesterday. It was a 4 days, and the queen will take 16 days. On the 16th day it will hatch or emerge. So yesterday was 18th, and then 4 days already, so it's gonna be 30th to be 16th day. So 30th will be ready to hatch, but we will harvest them on the 28th, like 14 days. 2 days before it hatches, we will introduce this to a split to be a new honeybee colony. So we'll see how many more they're gonna take down for this one.